We are Team Bohar's Bit, and this is TerraChain, our innovative solution for problem statement 2 in the blockchain domain of Udbhav finals. Hello everyone. Today we're presenting TerraChain, a blockchain-based land registry built using AI and blockchain technology. Land ownership disputes are a serious issue, especially in countries like India. Existing systems rely on paper records, manual verification, and centralized databases, making them slow, opaque, and vulnerable to fraud. Documents can be forged, verification takes months, and trust in ownership records is often missing. That's where TerraChain comes in. TerraChain creates a transparent, tamper-proof, and AI-verified land registry, ensuring secure ownership and faster, fraud-free verification. So let's start with TerraChain's landing page. This page provides a brief overview of the core pillars of the platform and gives a clear understanding of how the entire workflow operates, from property registration to verification and ownership transfer. As you can see, this asset demonstrates how properties are displayed directly on an interactive map. We achieve this using map integration with React Leaflet and OpenStreetMap. This section highlights the 4 core pillars of TerraChain, which form the foundation of the platform. The section that follows briefly explains how the complete workflow operates, from registration to verification. With that overview in place, let's begin the demonstration. First, we'll log in as a regular user looking to register or buy a property. The sign-in is handled through MetaMask, ensuring a smooth onboarding experience and easy access to Web3 wallets. Here you can see the normal user dashboard, where users can register a property or browse the marketplace to explore listed properties. Now we begin the property registration process. In the first step, you need to enter basic details such as the survey number, property type, and property location. Based on the location you entered, you are instantly placed on the map, making it easy to select your property area. Next, use our special area tool to mark the property boundaries. The system automatically calculates the latitude, longitude, and area in multiple units in real time. After that, if you need to add any description, you can enter it in the description field. Now comes the major step of the registration process: document upload and biometric verification. You will be required to upload your government ID for biometric face verification, along with property images and proof documents like sale deeds and title deeds. Once all documents are uploaded, they are sent to our AI-powered Python pipeline for automated document verification. Now comes the crucial step of verifying your identity using the government ID you uploaded. Our face recognition model extracts key features from both the ID image and the live image and calculates the Euclidean distance between them. Based on this distance, a similarity score is generated. The smaller the distance, the higher the similarity percentage. Only after your identity is confirmed will you be allowed to register the property. In the final step, once you click Submit, all documents are uploaded to IPFS for decentralized storage and sent for AI verification. Now your registered property is visible on the map in the My Properties section, along with detailed information. However, it will only be listed for sale after the registrar or government officer verifies the documents. Let's proceed to the registrar page to complete the verification process. Now let's log in as the registrar using a different MetaMask account, since we're connected via wallet. As a registrar, you can review the property details and AI verification results, and then either accept or reject the property. Now we are on the registrar dashboard. The property we registered earlier is listed here in the verification queue. By clicking View Details, the registrar can see all information, including photos, biometric verification status, descriptions, and uploaded documents like sale deeds and title deeds. You can also view the property area and location on the map. This detailed view ensures accurate and transparent verification. Now let's see how our AI pipeline verifies the documents. When we click the Scan Document button, the documents are sent through our AI pipeline, which performs OCR using Tesseract and image processing using OpenCV. After the scan, you can see detailed information about any mismatching or missing details in the documents compared to the information entered during registration. The model displays all necessary results and suggestions, helping the registrar make an informed decision to accept or reject the property. Now, for the demo, let's approve this property. During approval, we also add our verification suggestions and comments to ensure clarity. Once approved, the property moves to the Verified Properties page, confirming that it has passed all checks. Now that it is verified, the owner can list the property for sale. So let's go back to the owner page to proceed with listing the property. Now we are back on the property owner page and we can see a notification that our property has been verified. This means it's now ready to be listed for sale. So let's proceed to list the property for sale. Now, when we click on the List for Sale button, we are taken to the List Property section. After selecting a property, a form appears that asks the user to enter all the required details for listing the property. This form includes a built-in currency to Ethereum converter, which allows the user to enter any currency and instantly see its equivalent value in Ethereum. After filling in the required details, the property can be listed for sale through a blockchain-based transaction using MetaMask. Once all the details are filled in, the user confirms the transaction through MetaMask. After the transaction is successfully completed, the property becomes available for anyone to view and purchase. Now, we log in as a third user, the buyer. This user also signs in using a MetaMask-based authentication process. So we select the third user's account, confirm their identity through MetaMask, and then log into the dashboard where the marketplace of available properties is displayed. Next, we navigate to the marketplace where we can see the property listed for sale. The listing displays key details such as the property's area and location, along with its price, all visualized directly on the map. We can now view the detailed information about the property in its dedicated section. At this stage, it is time to place a bid on the property. We have integrated a bidding system to ensure the property is utilized at its full potential. After carefully reviewing all the bidding rules, we proceed to place a bid, also adding our message, if any, to be sent to the property owner. The bidding process is also executed through a MetaMask-based blockchain transaction, so we will now confirm the transaction to complete the bid. As you can see, the bid has been successfully placed by the buyer. We now log in again as the property owner to review the bids placed on our property. After logging in, we can see a notification in the Notifications tab. When we click on it, we are informed that a bid has been placed on the property. Now, we return to the marketplace to review the bid placed on the property and decide whether it meets our expectations. If the offer is acceptable, we proceed to accept the buyer's bid. This action is also completed through a MetaMask-based blockchain transaction. Once the property is digitally sold, we navigate to the Profile section to confirm that the Ethereum amount has been successfully credited to our account. In the final step, we log in again as the buyer through MetaMask to check the acceptance of our bid. After logging in, we open the Notifications tab, where we can see that our bid has been accepted by the property owner and that ownership of the property has been transferred to us. Next, we navigate to the buyer's profile to confirm that the Ethereum amount has been successfully debited. Finally, we go to the My Properties section to verify that the property is now listed under our ownership. So that was TerraChain from Team Bohar's bid. Thank you for watching.